Hey there, and welcome to the Real Estate Listing Analyzer software. In this video, I'm just going to give you a brief overview of the software, how it works, what all the buttons are for, what the best way to actually put everything together is. So I just wanted to put this front and center in your software so that you have some good reference and you're not lost. So you're seeing this dark video area. This is obviously where you're going to be watching the video. But let me go ahead and show you some of the buttons here. Up here on the top, we have a Start Over button, so you can click that at any time and start the whole process over. We also have a Save button. Now the Save button you don't want to use till you get to the very end of making your first template, okay? So once you get to the Save button, you can go ahead and right-click on that, and then what you're going to do is you're going to save link as, and then you're going to save your project. You're going to name it whatever you want. So I'm just going to put name your project. All right, now it's going to save it as an SAS file. You'll see that. I like to save them on my desktop and then I file them away accordingly. And then let's just say you get halfway through your template and you save it and you want to get back at it. You're going to click this load button right here, and then you're going to go to your new project or the project, whatever you named it, and I believe right here, name your project, and we're going to open that up, and it should open up all of our information to where we've completed up to that point. Okay, so that's what these buttons are for. Obviously, if you're interested in some good offline products, you can go ahead and click this link at any time. But let's hit the next button and get started in creating our listing page. Now there's a couple things that you're going to have ready. One, which is a business logo. So you can go ahead and grab a logo from a company's website, whatever you want to do. You could use Jing.com to grab logos. I'm just going to show you right here. This is just a regular logo that I have. And you just click the browse button, find the image, click on the image, and it'll upload it right to your software. Okay, then you enter in all the appropriate information here, like what is your business name, the business name of the real estate company. You can go ahead and put them in there. Now the main image is the image that we're going to display of the property. So we want to show the real estate agent, is this your image? I mean, is this your listing? And when they recognize the property, then they're going to go, yeah, that is my image there. So I don't have one ready here, but I do have a few images here on my desktop that I can use. And I'll go ahead and just use this one. But like I said, I just want to show you exactly how this process works. So you will have either screen captured. You could go and find an image on Trulia.com, and you could find an image from one of the listings from your local real estate agent and you use that. That's a good way to do it. If you're driving around in your neighborhood and you see a property that doesn't have a good way to access a mobile site and you want to build a real estate listing analyzer page for them, take a photo with your mobile phone, reduce it down to 500 pixels wide, and use that image. All right, that's probably the best way to do it. Let's hit the next button. Now, most of the text on all of these boxes you can leave as the default text. But if you want to change it and you're kind of wondering, well, where is this text listed anyways? Like this says text box, headline 1. You hit this little tooltip button right here and it'll show you exactly what we're talking about. So there's the headline, and then this next box here would be the actual content. So you could change this out if you'd like. You don't have to. One thing that if you do select the tooltip, you need to click on the question mark again to remove the tooltip. All right, so we go ahead. Here's the YouTube video. The last page of the lead page does require a video for the middle box. Now this is something that you can create. You can create a generalized, a very generic video that you could put in there about what you offer, which is a really good way to do things. You could use the video that we've included here in this package. There's a variety of things that you can do, but it only requires the YouTube ID. And in this graphic right here, it shows you where to find the YouTube ID. So only the ID. There's some footer links. There's 2 footer links that you could use. The last footer link is an email link that we have set up for you already, but you can enter in information for the 2 footer links. They can go to our privacy page, they can go to a special coupon, a page right to your website, however you want to set it up. We do have analysis questions. Again, the default text is perfect, but if you wanted to change it out, here's the question that they're going to be asked when they're doing the real estate analysis. Does this property have one website dedicated to it? There's probably a chance they're going to say no. So you want to put questions here that they're most likely going to say no to. All right, but you could just use the default questions. Those are ready to rock and roll. All right, the color, you have a color picker here. You could change the color of the background if you'd like. All right, let's go ahead and just pick something here. The footer, that's the bottom area here. We can go ahead and change that color too. All right, we click finish. Now, once you finish, there's going to be a video here that has instructions on what you can do. There's a couple of options. Watch this video carefully, and it'll tell you exactly what to do as far as downloading your project. But here's your download link. Okay, so you're going to download it. You're going to save your file, and then that should just, save right here to your computer. All right, but we're going to show you in this video how to upload that to your server and how to get that all squared away. So thanks for watching the introductory video. Of course, we'll try to do our best to make this as easy as possible for you. We hope you enjoy the tutorials. Take care.